Welcome to Big Sky Weirdness, a trip through Montana's funniest facts. Montana is known as the treasure state, but its greatest treasure might just be its endless supply of quirky trivia. It's a vast, beautiful land where the mountains are majestic, the wildlife is abundant, and the history is often hilariously specific. If you've ever wondered what happens when the Wild West meets record-breaking weather and an abundance of livestock, you're about to find out. Here are 10 funny facts that prove Montana is the state of big open spaces and even bigger laughs. The cows have a majority. Montana is truly a rancher state. It has approximately 3 times as many cattle as people, meaning you are significantly more likely to bump into a cow on a quiet road than another human. The case of the chaperoned sheep. It is illegal to have a sheep in the cab of your truck unless it is accompanied by a chaperone. Montana, protecting you from distracted sheep trucking since, well, whenever that law was passed. The snowflake heard round the world. The largest snowflake ever recorded fell in Montana on January 28, 1887. It was reportedly 15 inches wide, less of a flake and more of a frozen pizza of snow. How to order a drink Montana style. If you're in a Montana saloon and you want a whiskey and water, you don't ask for a whiskey and water. You ask for a whiskey ditch. Just trust the locals on this one. A horse walked into a bar. He shouldn't have. An old Montana law prohibits you from bringing horses or pack mules into any bar or saloon. Apparently, this was a common enough problem that lawmakers had to step in. The millionaire boom, back in 1888. Now, the capital city of Helena boasted more millionaires per capita than any other city in the entire United States, thanks to a roaring gold rush. It was the place to be if you liked riches and very dusty streets. Hunting from the sky is a no-go. It is against the law to hunt from an airplane. While this sounds like a scene from an over-the-top action movie, Montana had to specifically ban the practice of airborne sharpshooting. The temperature swing of champions. Montana holds the world record for the greatest temperature change in a 24-hour period. In Loma in 1972, the temperature rose 103 degrees, going from 54 prepir osa circle text SES5 to 49 circle text fa. It's the only place where you can experience 3 seasons in a single day. No lassoing fish. Another delightfully specific fishing law. It is illegal to use a lasso to catch a fish. One can only assume an overly eager and surprisingly skilled cowboy made this a necessary rule. The shortest river on the planet. Maybe. The Roe River near Great Falls was once in the Guinness Book of World Records as the world's shortest river, flowing a whole 200 feet. The kids who successfully campaigned for the title were clearly very dedicated to short river excellence. Follow for more.